What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Figured this is the worm chow bin. I'll check it out. It's been going pretty well. I actually posted to my community page. I did find 2 slugs in here, and then when I just opened it up, there was about another 3 or 4 that I just found. So I was planning on giving this an actual feeding this time instead of just worm chow. So I'm still going to follow through with that, and then this is probably going back on the worm chow again. What was kind of neat, as I was looking, there's a bunch of worms kind of hanging out in here. So I'm going to go ahead, give this a good mix. The last feeding was over here. What is kind of neat with this bin, there's grooves down here, and because I don't have any holes, that's where a lot of worms tend to end up hanging out. And like I said, over here was the last feeding. I think I'm going to go right here in the middle. And I'm going to definitely give them some more bedding. So I will add a little bit of moisture with this being dry. I'll incorporate a little bit of castings. So for the feeding, I have some lettuce, I have some asparagus ends, and what I was really excited to try to give them, a piece of pineapple. So I'm just going to pop that guy down. Looks like they may get this carrot here too. Okay, so with it, the ground eggshell. With my new raised garden beds that I built, I did pick up some azomite powder, pulverized azomite. So I'm going to add a little bit of that in here also. Then I'm going to cover the old castings and bedding. And to mark the feeding, I wanted to place a coffee filter, and I actually have a little coffee too, so it's another food source for them. So that's going right there. Just kind of make sure it's somewhat flattened out. So thanks for coming along, checking this out. As you heard in the beginning, I still have my little slug issue, which kind of stinks. But I felt that it was time to give these guys some actual food, and whatever happens with the slugs, if this causes more, I'll have to deal with it when they come around. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.